Let me know when. Hi, I'm Carson with Tag Roofing and Restoration out at resident Cassandra Beaches at 9716 Woodmill Lane. We are going to be simulating a VT test. The weather is 45 degrees. It is 11:24. And to do that, I will need to loosen this shingle right here and then lift it 3 times perpendicular to the roof, like this, to see if it is repairable. Okay, it is now loose. I will now lift it 3 times perpendicular with the roof. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it is causing creasing along this. So I'm gonna have to say that this is a failed BT.